Hello guys, this is Gaurav and today we are going to have a Q&A with NEET 2019 toppers. I will ask some common questions to them and show you their answers. We will also try to analyze their strategies on how you can crack NEET in this last 30 days. Let's begin the Q&A. What should be your strategy to increase your marks from 200 to 600? Asked by Mausam from Darbhanga.
देखिए, अगर आपके 200 मार्क्स आ रहे हैं और आपको 600 तक पहुंचना है तो उसके लिए पहले आपको समझना होगा कि आपके मार्क्स कम क्यों आ रहे हैं और इसलिए आपको मॉक टेस्ट सॉल्व करना होगा। जब आप मॉक टेस्ट सॉल्व करोगे तो बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन होंगे जो आपसे सॉल्व नहीं हो पाएंगे और बहुत सारी मिस्टेक्स हो रही होंगी आपकी। आपको क्या करना है कि उन क्वेश्चंस के सल्यूशन नहीं देखना है, वो क्वेश्चन जिस टॉपिक के हैं आपको वो टॉपिक अच्छे से पढ़ना है, उसको मास्टर करना है, फिर आपको अगला मॉक टेस्ट सॉल्व करना है। नेक्स्ट मॉक टेस्ट में आप देखोगे कि अगर अपने प्रीवियस टॉपिक जो मास्टर किए होंगे उनसे रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन आएगा तो आपसे सॉल्व हो जाएगा। फिर उसमें आपको नए टॉपिक्स मिलेंगे, आपको उनको मास्टर करना है। इसी तरह आपको बहुत सारे मॉक टेस्ट सॉल्व करने हैं और बहुत सारे मॉक टेस्ट सॉल्व करने के बाद आप देखोगे कि आप बहुत सारे टॉपिक्स को, इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक्स को मास्टर कर चुके होगे और आपकी परफॉर्मेंस बूस्ट कर चुकी होगी। So do this, and one thing, you can also connect with me on voice call or video call on Videlo app to discuss the last month's strategy of NEET, and yes, absolutely free.
How can I consistent on study? How to prepare for exam with NCERT? Asked by Muhammad Aftab Khan from Aligarh.
Hey, procrastination can be due to many reasons, but the main reason is a faulty strategic plan. Or we can say a workload which is beyond our capacities. What a student tries to do in this last month, he tried to guess each and everything he have studied the past year, which will not only lead him to make a very faulty schedule, but also led his confidence broken. So what we have to do, we should stick to our brain capacity and make a strategy according to them only. Connect with me on Videlo app, on voice call or video call, and let's make a strategy for your NEET examination this year.
How to revise the complete syllabus in such a short period of time? Which subjects should be revised first? Asked by Rahul Datta from Guwahati.
दोस्तों, सबसे पहले हमें लास्ट टाइम पे पॉजिटिव थिंकिंग रखना। स्टूडेंट्स का सबसे बड़ा लॉस लास्ट टाइम पे क्या होता है? निगेटिव ख्यालात की वजह से। उसके बाद आपका जो स्टडी आवर्स है उसको परसेंटेज सिलेबस के हिसाब से डिवाइड कर लीजिए। मीन्स 50% बायोलॉजी है तो आपके स्टडी में से 50% एटलीस्ट बायो को मिलना चाहिए। उसके बाद फिजिक्स एंड केमिस्ट्री 25% एंड 25%। और यू मस्ट स्टडी NCERT बुक्स फॉर बायोलॉजी एंड केमिस्ट्री एटलीस्ट। जितनी दफ़ा हो सके रिवीजन कर लो आप। उसके बाद फिज़िक्स के लिए आपका थ्योरी रिवीजन ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है न्यूमेरिकल से, क्योंकि अभी लास्ट टाइम पे आपको मैक्सिमम टाइम रिवीजन करना है। ओके, थैंक यू।
Which book to be followed in the last month? How many questions should we solve each day? Asked by Sakil Ahmed from Bhopal.
Last month is for consolidation and revision. So for biology, stick only to NCERT now. Have thorough revision of it. Go through every chapter at least once, and the chapters which you are not thorough with, and with chapters with more weightage, revise them more than once. And same goes for chemistry, physical, organic and inorganic chemistry. Stick to NCERT. And for physical chemistry and physics, sit one day, write all the formulas at one place for quick revision, and for questions, solve previous year questions. And this is the time to look at your errors and whatever mistakes you have done in the previous question papers, or whatever questions you have done previously, and mark them, have a look at them, clarify your doubt, so that, and keep them in mind so that you don't lose marks on the final day because of your carelessness. And yes, you can connect to me anytime with the Videlo app for voice call or video call, and yes, it's absolutely free.
Do solving previous year question helps? If yes, then how much questions should we practice each day and how much time we should give to revision per day? Asked by Rachna Kumari from Banaras.
Yes, definitely the practicing of previous year questions is very important. It is tells us the difficulty of the question paper, the pattern of examination. For example, in biology, in NEET, mainly the questions come directly or indirectly from NCERT. So there is no requirement of grasping irrelevant topics, and many questions are repeated in NEET. So this also helps a lot. And according to me, the revision should be based upon your capacity. But in this end month, you should just revise more, and rather than grasping irrelevant and unuseful information. give a finer touch to your already learned topic. For further queries, you can contact me on Vidilo app through video or voice calls.
How NEET toppers manage their time? Do they give equal amount of time to each subject or there is some ratio? Asked by Amit Misra from Jaipur.
My opinion is, my strategy is that in the starting we have to divide the time according to our capabilities. For example, if our understanding is good in physics and not so good in chemistry, then we have to give more time on chemistry and focus on it more than physics. Okay, but after we have covered the whole syllabus, then we have to give them time equally to all the three subjects, physics, chemistry and bio, and do maximum MCQs of both of these three subjects. Okay, so for more advice, contact me through audio or video call on Vidilo. Just download Vidilo. It's free.
Hope we have covered all the basic questions that came to your mind. Thank you and best of luck for your exam.
Just download the Vidilo app and book an appointment with us at Talk to Topper campaign. Everything free, just download the Vidilo app.